I am here to provide notice to each and every one of you today.
Everybody got up here speaking for immigrants, speaking against the federal government. Whereas me, the guy that's living the reality of when people criminalize the courts.
So I have approximately 72,000 criminal affidavits on behalf of victims that have been charged by way of information as opposed to indictment from right here within the state of Illinois. Many are from within this county.
We are a place that is labeled as the wrongful conviction capital.
States are not able to enact their own alternative legislation and substitute that for the guarantees of the Constitution.
People criminalize their power and authority like the county board president there, like Hopkins, like criminal judge Trowbridge, like criminal judge Boyd, now criminal judge Peter Gonzalez.
So if your sheriff's department are choosing to execute a warrant because a judge ordered them to do so, and that judge relied upon a prosecutor who abused their power by bringing the incorrect charging instrument in violation of the Constitution of the United States of America, that sheriff is now committing an unconstitutional act.
But being locked inside of an interrogation room at Area 3 violent crimes is something that happened to me, something I will never forget.
Clause 1 of Amendment 5 to the United States Constitution says that no person should be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on presentment or indictment by a grand jury.
Crimes, Title 18 U.S.C. subsection 242, which is deprivation of rights under color of law. What that statute says is that any person who, under color of any state statute, ordinance, custom, or regulation, deprives any person of any right secured by the Constitution commits that crime.
Executive Order Act, the executive order signed to protect criminals who have violated American law. But what about the American citizen in the room that's being abused by the judicial system?
Police officers, your prosecutors, your judges, they are all under a contract. That is a contract to perform based on their oath or affirmation that they took to support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America.
We cannot sit here and act like the juvenile detention center and our young kids are not being victimized.
Title 18 U.S.C. subsection 241, which is conspiracy to deprive of rights. What that states is that when two or more persons conspire with the purpose of depriving any person of any rights secured by the Constitution commits that crime.
No, look at me, Ms. Prewinkle. Because you're a criminal, and that criminal over there, Brandon Johnson, all of y'all going to be exposed.
You cannot continue to pay public officials to break the law.
30 seconds.
Criminal sanctions can and will come from that.
I'd ask you guys to please work with me to fix this problem, because the alternative is that I'm going to have to convert these criminal affidavits into criminal complaints. I don't want to do that. You don't want me to do that.
And to let those individuals out of our
30
prison
seconds.
system, they should not be there.
So I'm asking you, honorable individuals, to please take a look at Clause 1, Amendment 5, confirm what I'm saying to be true, and direct your public officials to act in a lawful, constitutional manner that is consistent with the obligations codified in the Constitution. Please direct me where I can put this.
We shall be free if this race